everyone, it's Billie. Welcome to my channel, Billie Holman Creations. Today, briefly, I just wanted to finish up a few little odds and ends, or my little side project here that I've been using leftover resin in. When I first started resining, which was not too long ago, I bought a set of molds. This is a cute little set of molds with 6 different shapes, and I've been using them to pour my excess resin in. Now this one I think is adorable. Just cute little molds, little trinket cups. Like I said, the different shapes. Whenever I had excess resin, I would just pour it in one of these molds. Went through my jewelry findings, you know, little bead. Actually, this is a little mold that I had done, this little bead here, and it didn't turn out great, so I just put it on the top of that. They're real cute. Very easy, although the one problem I've had is when I use this octagon shape, a lot of times my resin's getting pretty sticky when I get to pouring it in these molds, and herein lies a problem if you do not get your resin up into these corners, because if you don't, you're going to get a partial corner. And sometimes I've tried to patch them up, other times I haven't. This one, for instance, I just went around with my Dremel sander and rounded the edges because a couple of these weren't filled all the way. So that's just a little tidbit I have. I used my E6000, of course, and all I need to do with these basically is put the little caps on the top. You can take your paint pens, do gold trims, add stickers, whatever comes to mind. I actually even put in little bits and pieces of resin drippings. So let me just do this real quick. I will have these molds listed in my description for you. I got them off of Amazon. One other thing about the E6000 is just take out a little at a time, because it will get tacky. It's a gel and it will get tacky very quickly. So I just use a little at a time, or else it gets to where it's not worth using. Anyway, I just found for this one a little wooden bead, and I'm just going to dab on my glue. Try to center this best I can and let that set.